Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Now, exercise number 5.2, third problem. In the following APs, they said the following numbers are AP. Find the missing term in the box. We should find the missing term. Listen, it's a very easiest problem. While you are looking for it is filling the blanks, but it will take long process to do the problems. Listen. Okay. Now, we want to find the A2, second term, right? Excuse me, are you all clear? We're supposed to find the second term, A2. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Second term we're supposed to find. Now, what is the first term here? 2. Second term we need to find. Third term 26. Now suppose we want to find the second term means what we supposed to do? Please think it. Do you have any other idea to find second term? You just think it. Asaf, you just think it. Gunashri, any other idea to find the second term? Do you have any idea how to find it? Ah, okay, okay. Listen, I will explain now. Listen, pa. Very easiest one. In this problem, they given a first value that is a. Second term we need to find third term. So here I have a value, right? Clear? Then a3 I have, right? A3. What is the a3? A3, what it is? 26. So now I suppose A3 value and A value, throw these two values, I need to find a D because when I add a D with the first term, I will get a second term. Are you clear? When I want to know the second term, what I supposed to do? I just add a D value with the first term, I will get a second term, right? Excuse me. When I add a D with first term, I will get a second term. So I need to know D value, right? Clear? So for finding D value, I have a here and the A3 I have here. So among these two, will be able to find the D value? Is it possible? They only given A value and A3. Is it possible to find a D value? Please think it. Yes, it's possible. What we supposed to do? A3 we all know that. A3 term is 26. So we can use A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is AN formula, right? Excuse me. AN formula. So A3 term what it is? 26. A value 2. N minus 1. That is 3 minus 1 equal to D. Now when I simplify this equation, I will get D or not? Excuse me. Actually, in this arithmetic progression, an I know that what is this 26 and a value I know that. So when I want to find a nth term, I need to know only three values. I need only four values. What are they? A I needed, D, n, then an. Clear? Clear? In this four value, they given any two value, I can easily find it, right? So here I have a value. Then what do I have? A n value I know that. A n value I know that. Is it possible to find a d value or not? Is it possible? So we can use the nth formula. A value is here, an value is here, n also here, it is 3. So I can use the nth formula to find it. That is 26 equal to 2. A value is 2, first term. 2 plus 3 minus 1 into D. So 26 equal to 2 plus 3 minus 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1, it became a 2. Right? Excuse me. Then 2 into D, it became a 2D. Then 26, now we can transpose the plus 2 to left hand side, minus 2. So 26 minus 2 is equal to 2D. Then 26 minus 2, 24. Now I can transpose the 2 to left hand side. So 24 by 2 is equal to D. Then we can cancel it. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is 12. 12 is equal to D. Are you clear, pa? Are you clear? So now we got a D value. Are you clear? And now I got a D value. That is D also I found it now. So now what is second term? D value is 12. D value is 12. Second term. You should add it. That's all. 12 plus 2. Right? A plus 12. A plus D, that is A plus 12. So 2 plus 12 became a 2 plus 12 became a 14. Right? We found it, right? Are you clear? Clear? It is a shortcut method. If you want to do the elaborate method, you can go with again a formula A2 for finding A2. Now I have a value, D value, N value. I supposed to find A2 value. Right? It's A2 only, no? So A2 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A value is 2, n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 into d value. Now only I found it is at 12, right? So 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 12, 12. So 2 plus 12, so a2 is equal to 14. Clear? Clear? Once if you find the d value, you can directly write the answers for second one, right? It is a shortcut. Otherwise, if you want to do the procedure method, you can do this. Clear? Excuse me? Clear? Are you all clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, pa. Now we can go with the second problem. Second box, subdivision number 2. Listen, in this subdivision number 2 is very easiest one. See here. Listen. 18. Sorry, in the box value, comma 13, comma box value, comma 3. So here we can check A, D, N, A, N. So what are the terms they given here? What are the terms they given here? A is here or not? A, no. A is not here in this term, right? It is the box values, da. So first term is missing, third term is missing. Only second term and fourth term, right? Excuse me. Okay. Now here D is there or not? D. How? What it is? How will you find the D? They didn't give the D, right? So D is not here. N value. N value. Excuse me. N value. They excuse me, da. It is given. Very good. It is A2 and A4. So 2 N values. Clear? So I got here 2 N values. Next. Next AN. Yes, AN also they given. It is 2 AN values. Clear? Clear? Excuse me. When they given these kind of problems, listen very careful. A is not here, D also not here, but AN they given and N also they given. But it is a 2 values. N also 2 value here we have. AN also here we have 2 values. Clear? So the same this kind of problem we solved it in the one example. What it is? Do you remember the example? One example. The 11th term of AP is this one, and 15th term of AP is this one. Find A and D. Huh? Very good, very good. Who's this? Very good, Kritika. You're a brilliant baby. Yes, the same problem. Third problem, third term is 5 and seventh term is 9 they given, right? So what you supposed to do? Huh? Listen, da, excuse me. Very good, very good. Very easy, da. Now, first you can take a A2. A2 is 13. So A is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Then A13 is equal to A plus N is 2 here. So 2 minus 1. Are you clear? Into D. Then 13 is equal to A plus 1 into D. So we can mark as equation number 1. Are you clear? Excuse me? Any doubt, Ra? Veena, Asif, Harish, Sanjay? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, Ra? Excuse me. Okay, da. Next, A4 value they given. A4, that is 3. So now we can use A n is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A4 value is 3. 3 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Then A3 is equal to A plus 3D. Equation number 2. Very clear? Excuse me. Now I got a 2 equation. Now I want to know the 2 variable value. How will you find it? Now it is in a form of linear equation or not? Very good. Very good. So now it is in a form of linear equation. Here instead of x and y they given A and D. That's all, right? Excuse me. Now we can go with the elimination method. If you want to use substitution method, you can use it, no problem. Here elimination method is comfortable, so I can go with the elimination method. So first one, 13 is equal to A plus D. Second equation is equal to 3 equal to A plus 3D. So when I want to cancel the any one of the term here, right? So I can do the subtraction. Then only I can able to cancel the plus A and minus A. So while doing a subtraction, we should change the sign, right? So plus 3 it became a minus 3, plus 8 became a minus A, plus 3D it became a minus 3D. Are you clear? Then 10 equal to plus A minus A cancel. Then cancel. Here D, here 3D, minus 3D. What is the answer? Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2. Very minus 2D. So 10 is equal to minus 2D. Now minus 2D is equal to 10. Then D is equal to 10 by 2 minus 2. It became a 5. Minus 5. Are you clear? That is D is equal to 10 by 2. So minus 2. 1 2s are 2. 5 2s are 10. So D is equal to minus 5. Are you clear, pa? Any doubt? So now we found now we find out the value D. So now we can substitute the D value in any one of the equation. So I can substitute this in a first equation for finding a. So 13 is equal to a plus a minus 5. Clear? Then while transposing minus 5, it became a plus 5. So 13 plus 5 equal to a. Then a is equal to 18. Are you clear? Are you clear? So first value a is the first term. So first term here we found it is a 18. Now what is the common difference d? What is the common difference d? Minus 5. So 18 minus 5. Actually we supposed to add a d here, right? When we get a second term. So now it is minus 5. So d minus 5. 13. 13 minus 5. 8. That's all. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Filling this, you can go with the shortcut. Very good, very good. For filling the boxes, you can go with the shortcut. Otherwise, if you want to do elaborate method, for first term we found out it is a 18. Third term we need to find, right? That is a3 we need to find. So we can use the formula a3 formula. A n is equal to a plus n minus 1 to d. The a3 is equal to first term 18 plus 3 minus 1 into common difference minus 5. Then a3 is equal to 18 plus 2 into minus 5. So a3 is equal to 18 plus 5 2s are 10. So minus 10. So a3 is equal to 8. Are you clear? Actually here a plus 18, here minus 10. So difference plus 8. Are you clear? Excuse me, pa. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Real clear? Any doubt? Can you speed up or no? Is it okay? Are you clear? Excuse me, others, boys. Will you all clear the concept, right? Excuse me, boys. Kishore? Are you sleeping, Kishore? Very good, super. Kishore? Kishore? Ki- Yes, yes, da. Now it's okay, 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 da. Okay, da. Now it's all, I hope you're all clear, right? Okay. Don't ask the doubts during the exams, da. Are you clear? Whatever it is doubt, you can ask now itself. Okay, baby, just fun. Okay. Now, third one. So 5, box 9, 1 by 2. 9, 1 by 2. So they given us a mixed fraction number, right? So 5, second box we need to find, third box also we need to find, then here. So you can make a box. A, D, N, A, N. So in this, what are the things they given? A available, right? Excuse me. Okay. D, no, very good. N, 2N, that is A1 also here, A4 also here. A4, A4. Here also 2, right? AN also, first term and last term. Clear? Okay, now you can tell me what I supposed to do. Here A also available. When suppose it's A not here, I can make a 2 equation and I can simplify, I can find A and D value, right? Now here they given A also. So what I supposed to do? We need to find a common difference. How we will find the common difference? Second is not here, third also not here, but fourth one is here, right? Make use of a fourth one. Listen, very easy. A term is 5. First term A5. Then an value a plus n minus 1 into d. So a4 is here, right? So a4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 5 plus 4 minus 1 into d. A4 I know that what it is 9 1 by 2. Are you clear, Harish? Excuse me, Harish. So 9 1 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 3d. Then 9 1 by 2 we can transpose the minus 5 equal to 3d. Now the whole numbers, you can do the first whole number subtraction. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4. So 4 1 by 2. Otherwise you can make it as an improper fraction, then you can simplify it. Otherwise whole number subtraction, 9 minus 4, so 9 minus 5, 4, 4 1 by 2 is equal to 3d. Then now we can convert into the improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 9 by 2. Now we can transpose the 3 to left hand side. So it to here multiplication 3 it became a division here. So 9 divided by 2 into 3. So 9 divided by 6. Clear? It is equal to d. Then we can simplify it. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Are you clear? So now we found the d value. Are you clear? Are you clear? So now we got a d value as well as a value. D value as well as a value, right? We get the values A value as well as D. Right, are you all clear? Excuse me? Harish, you just keep in your mind, Harish, when they given a first term and the A nth term, is it enough to find a D? Right? Clear? One A nth term, one first term. If they given, it's very easy for us to find a D value. Clear? Clear, pa? Any doubt? Are you clear, Excuse me, others? Okay, okay. Now we find the D value, right? So make use of this D value to make a second term. First term is 5. So 5 plus D became a second term. So we can add 5 plus 3 by 2. So we can take a LCM, what it is? 10, 2. So 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 2. So second term is 13 by 2. Clear? Are you all clear? Actually, we should take a LCM 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3. So 13 by 2. So the answer is 13 by 2. Next here, we should add a 3 by 2 again. So 16 by 2, that means 8. Right? Are you clear? Others, others? Are you all clear or not? Okay, okay, listen. Okay, listen. Now we can go with, listen, it is a shortcut. We need to do the elaborate method. So second term we need to find A2 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A2 is equal to 5 plus 1 into 3 by 2. A2 is equal to 5 plus 1 3 is 3, 3 by 2. So A2 is equal to 10 plus 3 by 2. So A2 is equal to 13 by 2. So we need to get, right, 13 by 2 second term, right? We got it. Third term, A3 formula. A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here n is 3, 3 minus 1. A3 is equal to A value is 5 first term plus second term, that is 3 minus 2, that is 2. 2 into D value 3 by 2. So 2 cancel. Now 3 plus 5. So A3 is equal to 8. Clear? So here we found A3 is equal to 8. Are you clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Others? Boys? Excuse me, boys?
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.